So let's have a look at how we insert the template into a page and the various options that we have. The first is probably the most common. It's the one that most people use. In the Elementor editor at the bottom of the page, you will always see this, where we can add a new container. In the latest version, we can also have AI create a layout for us. But the one that I'm looking at here is this directory icon, which is add template. If I click on that, we get to choose from the various Elementor blocks and pages that we can use, or in this case, I'm going to hit my templates and we will see the one I want here at the bottom. I can see it's a container. I'm going to insert. Now, at this point, it says, do you want to bring in the page properties as well? In this case, it won't matter, but as a matter of course, I always use don't apply. Otherwise, your destination page will take on the properties of the source page, if you like. So I always use don't apply. Okay, so it's now inserted my template there. So the best way to explain how this works, in fact, what I'll do here, the other way, which is pretty much identical, is by clicking on the plus icon here on the container handle. And I can also go here and take this one, don't apply. There we go. They're two different templates. They're just switched around. Just for a bit of variation in design, but effectively that plus icon here on the container handle and the plus icon down here, the folder icon down here will do much the same sort of thing. Now, to demonstrate what happens here, if I update this page and exit to the WordPress dashboard, if I now go into Elementor Templates, Elementor Templates, different to Theme Builder. If I go into Templates, and here's the two templates. This is the first one I introduced. This is the second. So let's say I edit this with Elementor. So I'm now editing the template itself. And I'm just going to change the word here. So introducing pairs. Okay, just remember that. I'm going to update it. I'm going to go back to where I was. I'm going to edit with Elementor. Remember we said pairs. And if I scroll down, it still says prunes there. So the point of this is that when you insert a template in this way, what you're actually doing is copying that template into the page where you can then edit it, restyle it, do what you like with it, but the actual source template will always remain the same. But that doesn't have to be the case. There's something else we can do. And this is an overlooked widget. If I go in here and just look for the template widget, my bet is that most people have never used this. If I go here and just pull this into a new block there, okay, I can then go up here and choose my template. So there we go. Now this looks the same. It will say pairs because that's what I edited the template to say. But let me update this now. Go back, exit to WordPress dashboard, go into my Elementor templates. And this is the one that I use, so I'm going to edit it. And instead of pairs now, we'll say bananas, like so, and I'm now going to update that. So again, updating the template, not the source page, if you like. Let's just go back now to where we were. And we will see that when I introduced as a template icon, it actually picks up the latest version of the template every time. So if you've got a block, a container, a design, where you want to be able to edit it once and have it appear many times, have the update appear many times on the website, then this is the way to do it, using the template icon here. But there is another way, yet another way, that works in exactly the same way. Back out to WordPress dashboard, Elementor Template, and you'll notice here that every template has a shortcode. I can click on that, copy it, go back to the page where I was, like so, edit it, I can go down here. In fact, what I can do is just take the shortcode widget, like so, paste my shortcode into that which I copied previously, and there we are. So using the template icon or using the shortcode has the same effect. Using the template widget is probably slightly more efficient than using the shortcode, but the results are the same. The important point, though, is that you would use this where you want to keep the formatting and content updated from the single template. So maybe it would be all your contact details which you want to appear on different pages, where you only need to update in one place. So I hope that makes some sense. It's a little difficult to explain, but which is why I'm using the video to try and show it. Hopefully you've got the idea there. Thanks for watching.